My name is Larissa Hoover. I work for Cranberry Township Brush Creek Wastewater Treatment Plant, and I'm a lab technician in the laboratory. We recently won the WIMS software package from Hach. We started looking into sort of data information management in the laboratory. I have a commercial lab background, so I've worked with LIMS systems before. And I really liked the WIMS system that Hach has, mainly because it's more specific to our industry. The LIMS systems for commercial labs were kind of too much. We use the WIMS for process and regulatory control. A lot of laboratory data gets entered in here, but also some SCADA data. All of this WIMS data is really helpful for our plant operators. We can see trending of mixed liquors and other variables that we look at and decide what we need to adjust in the plant. And the plant manager also uses this data to check our permit limits and see how the plant is functioning. So another things that the WIMS does, it can interface with other Hach instruments. It will interface with your SCADA system, and you can pull data in from that automatically. In the setup process, you'll probably want to pick one person in your plant that's a super user, and they can control everything and set up everything. But if you have multiple users, you can really easily go into the system and select multiple people, and you can give them different privileges. Probably the biggest benefit of using the WIMS is the quality control and being able to document all of that QA/QC data. I'm able to really quickly see if something passed or failed and have an audit trail. So this is our Hach WIMS software, and this is the dashboard. So on this dashboard, I can put whatever I want and whatever I use most frequently. So I have links to DEP's Chapter 252. I also have key performance indicators, which could be whatever I want. Once it's in here, it's really easy to look at graphs or to do reports. All of this automatically populates whenever I enter my data. So wherever I entered these values, it automatically starts putting them in to the month where they go. The graphing function we've been playing around with. Really excited about the graphing function because it's really easy to graph. Our Excel spreadsheets did monthly, and it was really hard to create a graph from that data because you'd have to go back to each month individually, open it up, copy and paste to make a graph. I can also use the scheduled task functions. In here, I can tell it to automatically send a report or send a graph to whoever I want, and it will set it up to do it automatically. So this is really great for my supervisor or anyone else that has data that they're looking at. I can just type in their email address, what type of format I want it to be, and I can have it set up to say, send it out every week, and he can see that data right in his email.